Alright, guys, and you focus on once again an important message of success. Enjoy the process towards success. You see, uh, objectively speaking, to reach that certain goal, to succeed, to see succeed at reaching that certain outcome goal you want, there are just things you need to do, right? Now, but no one said that you need to experience hardship or like in, do those things in a difficult manner, okay, like experience hardship, like hard work and so on to get that end result. No one said so, okay? There is no rule, okay? That is, in universe that you must experience hardship in order to succeed, which is exactly what the general population is kind of bombarding, people through motivational videos and all sort of like basically like the hard work equals success. You need hard work, you need to sacrifice, pain and all these things. Now, but actually what is happening is because people are being bombarded by these, I would say wrong messaging. Now they have this filter, okay, filter through, through which they look at the world. And when they do stuff and so on, they choose, like on unconscious level, to do stuff in a difficult and hard manner because they've been taught that, to succeed, you need to work hard and so on, experience hardship, pain, sacrifice, and so on. Now, but what happens? What happens then is because based on the way your biology works, right? We'll always move. We will seek pleasure and avoid pain. It's like survival mechanism. If you put your hand on the something hot or something like that, you will experience pain. So to make sure you don't put any more than hand on the hot something hot. Uh, you know you like to make sure you don't do basically you survive, right? And so if we follow this formula that to succeed it is hard, complicated, difficult, pain, sacrifice, and so on. If many people go go and do stuff through this belief, okay, what will happen is that rarely everyone will succeed. Okay, and those who will succeed will be just like go-getters, like they are willing like to really like push themselves, or very strong persons, or very like motivated, or very maybe even fearful. Like fearful is strong motivation as well. Like there's no choice but you to do stuff and so on. And only those people will succeed. But like a regular Joe, right, who want to succeed, but it's just like it's not life or death, question for him. He just wants to get that end result. Okay, that guy will probably not succeed if he operates from that belief system. Okay, so now, but no one said that you have to experience hardship to get that result to succeed. Okay, and here is this missing piece, right? You actually can enjoy the process. You actually can have fun doing what to do the process to reach that outcome someone, or at least make sure you experience more easy, more simplified, more like easier, simplify, more like experience like fun way. Okay, in actuality, if you operate from that perspective and make sure not only you do it from the outside perspective things that are more easy and so on. Like maybe you automate stuff, maybe you leverage. See, like we are all different, right? We all have different natural gifts and so on. And some people maybe can enjoy cooking, and for some people, cooking is pain in the ass. Now, but on an objective order of thing, let's say you need to cook, you need to also, you need all sorts of things. There is no need to do all the things for yourself and experience hardship. You can just leverage other parts of the process, and let other people do that, enjoy those things. In this way you can succeed way more easier, more fun, more enjoyable, and so on. All right, so and yeah, so from objective side of things, we can make process more pleasurable and easier and so on. But also, when you get clean from that belief, okay, when you realize that pain, sacrifice, and hardship does not equal success, you can start to feel and experience from inside more pleasure and so on throughout the process. And as you experience from the inside, you will do things like from the outside in that way, and still can get the result you want. And because you will experience more pleasure than pain, okay, you'll be driven to do those activities that in the end will give you a result. You will spend necessary time and so on to make and to do the process, do those activities that will lead you to success. Okay, it's like playing a video game. People can spend hours and hours play video games, like hours. They like to do, and they have unlimited willpower. Okay, they can, like, I mean, they can put so much time and so much like effort. Like there is, it's not effort because it's fun, but still they're putting, they are thinking, they are learning, they are so on, like they don't have any problems. Okay, spend hours and hours, right? And because they spend those hours and in the video games, still, there's certain things you need to do to reach that certain outcome. Like the same, certain things to do to reach certain outcome. Okay, but if a video game, because it is fun, a more enjoyable experience, you're willing to invest that time, and it's like it's not pain. Like you love it. The same in life. You actually can love the process of doing those things that will give you that end result, the success you seek. That's like mind-blowing understanding. Okay, and it starts from, first of all, clean that bullshit belief out from you. Okay, level your mind from this perspective more like consciously, to slowly and gradually reprogram yourself, and from the inside as well try to feel more joy and more pleasure and so on in those activities that you need to do in order to succeed. And in this way, okay, and as I said, like, you will love to spend time. It will only be struggle and pain, and you will invest needed time and effort and so on to do those things to get that result you want. Okay, like this is mind-blowing understanding. Okay, I realize it. Okay, today, like fully realized. I kind of realized bits and pieces, but like fully I realized it today. All right, so the ultimate success, Sunny Fox.